Yo, what is up, YouTube land? It's Ret the Threat here, man. You know how we get down, dude. Just being a threat. Been out here living in my car for 50 days now. It has been quite the experience, that's for sure. Right now I'm just laid out in my car in a undisclosed location, nor will I give it away. No, I'm just kidding. I'll probably give it away later, but just wherever, you never know wherever you're gonna sleep that night. It's currently about 5 a.m. here. I woke up and had to pee or whatever, so I did that. And I really mainly just wanted to start filming. I mean, making videos about, what it's like to live like this, live this lifestyle. I will say I'm out here in Colorado, it's a little bit more acceptable here, but I'm definitely out here on some stealth shit, you know what I'm saying? They don't call me Ret the Threat for nothing, you know what I'm saying? How about we spice this up, man? I might just hit this 710 Labs fucking Dabski here. Holy fuck. Okay. Okay. Alright. Was not expecting that. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta get high to balance out the lows, you feel me, when you're out here like this. But overall, I will say I actually enjoy this lifestyle way more than, being flooded in bills, at a nice apartment complex, it's just way better. It's kind of like you're paying yourself in a way to just live like a savage, so I think I might just leave it at that, honestly, because I feel like that's a pretty good video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see me, I'm out here, so deuces.